Go stupid. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid.
Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Yeah. Go stupid. Go crazy. Stupid.
Hell nah, cuz. Hell nah. Nah, cuz.
Dead in a minute, but I can't be mad. I got millions. I just pulled up in the limit. Thuggin', so fuck your opinion. I'm thuggin', so fuck how you feelin'. I'm calling my spirit through my
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy LilBrotha, back at it again with another banger. But today, man, we on another reaction on EXO. Today, we reacting on a song called Temple by them. And I don't really know too much about them. I only did 2 reactions on them, so still kind of learning. Y'all can't get mad at me, but I know they're a good group though. I know they got similarities to BTS, the K-pop, all of them. But yeah, y'all can't get mad. I really rock with BTS. BTS is one of my favorite groups. Y'all can't get mad at that. I'm just now learning about them. I didn't know nothing about them, but I'm glad some of y'all told me about them. So this is my 3rd reaction on them, by the way. But that's enough of just talking, man. I'm about to go ahead and hit y'all up when I got the video on the screen. Bye. Y'all need to subscribe and give me a like and comment right now. Like, do all of that right now before the video even start. While y'all just watching the intro, just do all of that, bro. That's all y'all gotta do. Like, comment, and tap the subscribe button. Like, that's not hard. How's that hard? But anyways,
show love, nigga. It don't show nothing. It don't cost nothing to show a nigga love.
All we doing
nigga.
is getting money.
Show a nigga some love, nigga.
Wabbity dabbity.
Niggas out here don't love me, nigga.
They don't love.
alright, man. So your boy back, and I currently got that video on the screen. So y'all know what we about to do.
기다렸던 이런 느낌 나만 듣고 싶은 그녀는 나의 멜로디 하루 종일 꺼내 너를 떠나지 않게
This beat sound familiar.
Don't mess up my tempo 이거 충분히 I said don't mess up my tempo 그녀의 맘을 훔칠게 어디에도 없을 리듬 맞춰 1, 2, 3 Don't mess up my tempo
Hey, they lit, bro. I ain't gonna stunt. Oh, that Michael Jackson though. That's crazy. He was still on the tempo. This is groovy. It's real groovy. I like groovy music.
Don't mess up my tempo. 들어봐 이건 충분히. I said don't mess up my tempo. 그녀의 맘을 훔칠게. 어디에도 없을 리듬에 맞춰 1, 2, 3. Don't mess up my tempo. 멋있어 보이니까
조리도 너무 loudly. 이 맛이 좁혀진 거리. 너에게 맞춰진 heartbeat.
Okay. They ain't even saying the words in my language, but they still on beat, and I got the subtitles up on my TV. You gotta.
Don't mess up my tempo, don't mess up my tempo, don't mess up my tempo, don't mess up my don't mess up my tempo, don't mess up my tempo.
Hey, they go with they beat mixing and all of that. Like this beat, the flows on this beat switched up so much, and then they just on point with it. Like it's crazy, they cold. I ain't gonna stop. Listen to their voice. I ain't done. I knew it. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I can't believe 기다렸던 이런 느낌 나만 듣고 싶은 그녀는 나의 멜로디 하루 종일
They cold, bro.
떠나지 않게 그대 내 곁에 Don't mess up my tempo 바라봐도 충분히 I said don't mess up my tempo 먼저 네가 세게 비 어디에도 없으니 넌 벽한 1, 2, 3 Don't mess up my tempo 멈출 수 없는 이
Hey, hey, whoa. Whoa. That's it. EXO tempo. Man, bruh. Alright, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think on that video in the comments below. I ain't gonna stunt, man. That's another group I'm gonna be reacting to a lot, man. That EXO, I don't even know what that means. So if y'all could tell me in the comments what EXO means, because I want to learn more about this group. Just like I know a little bit about BTS. I want to learn more about both of them. But like I said, y'all tell me in the comments what y'all think, bruh. Get on your little text and typing keyboards and just type some stuff, bruh. Go ahead. But give your boy a like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot to let y'all know that too. But I ain't got nothing else to say, so we out.
Bad little bitch, she gon' fuck when I say so. Suck on my dick whenever I say go. Spin on the up block and lay low. Stay down to that case closed. Hollows leave them red, busted tomato. Used to be broke down counting them pesos. Bad little bitch, fat ass like J-Lo. Hit that little bitch, I can't hang like a stock. I fuck with her sister, her pussy is pop. I'm getting this money while these niggas watch. If he told me shit, put his ass in the car. Color my hair, I'm a ball like I'm robbed. I point at the stick and then bodies I drop. Get the second and now we finna get the pop. Kicking this back door, moving with.
Well, duh.
Hold on, call up the plug, I forgot that's my neighbor. Saw your boy up, then I did like Mayweather. Niggas that car, but be soaked in the feathers. Bitches be horn, can't hit them whenever. I just be chillin', shout out to my city. House full of takers, you know that they greedy. Feeling like Jama, you niggas can't see me. Move like a ghost, but don't fuck with no Ouija. Bro in the back, yeah, he counting that money. Came up from nothing, y'all don't know the